Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to add a picture password in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Accounts from the left side list. Go to Sign In Options. Click on Picture Password. Click on Add. Picture password is a new way to protect your device. You can choose the picture and the gestures you use with it to create a password that is uniquely yours. Enter your current password. Click OK. Click on Choose Picture. Select the picture that you want and click on Open. Click on Use this picture if you like it. Draw 3 gestures on your picture. Repeat them. Click on Finish. The picture password has been set up. You can change and remove your password if needed. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!